Hi there, Mel here from the receiving department at Loewen Windows. I wanted to share with you an idea that one of our folks that works in the window and door hardware area has made to his area recently. So he used to have some of his hardware boxes on this shelf in this location. However, his workspace is over here. We gotta travel a little ways. So this is the area where he packages his window and door hardware. So his improvement idea was to move all of the hardware from the other location that we just came from to this location right behind him. So now he really has nowhere that he has to go. Everything that he needs is right in this area, and he no longer has to work down the other aisle and walk back and forth to go get parts. They're all right at the point of use. Simple improvement. We added a few shelves and voila, a lot less walking.